Alright, so we got tranny all bolted in. We need to start just hooking everything up. One line at a time. So the red line goes on that side, black on that, and yellow on that one. I like to take pictures of the stuff and just double check it, you know. Just make sure it's correct. Nothing like a pain in the butt when you think you're all done with the job and then you end up with a problem, you know. Alright, hook up our speedo cable. Alright. Everything's hooked up here, except for our new wire harness. So, figure out how I want to run this. The way it was run was not right. Could just go across here. I don't see a problem in that. Might rub up there though. I should put it under. I see holes right down there that I am going to put zip ties in. These two plugs here go together. There we go. Push the little lock. There's actually spots for this right that. Look at that. Actually might be start looking like factory here. Just maybe. Yeah, a lot easier. Okay. Ouch. Alright guys, just gotta hook up our oil lines here. Oh, that's not even a hole. Let's see if I can get those eyes. Hey. One. Well, we're almost finished here, guys. We got everything buttoned up. Just finishing this off here. And the other side has a broken bolt. I've already drilled it out. And I have drilled it out. It's about I can. It's welded on the backside and it's right up against the tank. And the welder, I don't have an extension cord for it to get over here. So I can't I cut the old bolt out. I punched it, drilled it out, punched it, cut the head off the back of it. Yeah, I don't have any bolts or nothing here, so I'm gonna have to. I gotta make some runs and everything in the morning. I got shopping things I gotta do to finish up this truck and everything. But I need pieces and parts, and I'll grab some bolts and stuff. He's talking to Fastenal right now, and he was talking about getting an assortment brought in here, some cabinets, and they come in and stock them and stuff. I don't know if he really needs all that. I was thinking about it. I don't know. I think if you just get some bins, I'll just run and grab a handful of each bolt that we kind of use and put it in bins. I think that'd be fine. Not that big an outfit here. I don't know. We'll talk to him, but I'll be running around in the morning getting parts, gaskets, and stuff for the axles, so I can put fluid in there and stuff. I gotta put the fluid back in the transmission yet. I'm gonna wait to do that because I gotta do an oil change, so I'm just gonna go all through and do the fluids in one shot. I've got other little projects that I can be doing, so I'm gonna jump on those. But I hope everyone out there is having themselves a great day, great night as they're watching this here video. And if you're not, I'll certainly try that all over again tomorrow. I'll catch you guys later.